how to hide or show available Wi-Fi networks in Windows 11. When managing Windows 11 systems, you might not want every available Wi-Fi network visible to users. Whether it's to prevent connections to unauthorized SSIDs or reduce distractions in public or classroom setups, you can easily hide or show Wi-Fi networks in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to show or hide network options using command prompt. Hiding specific networks. This method lets you block specific SSIDs from showing up in the Wi-Fi list. It's great for public or managed environments such as classrooms, branch offices, or anywhere you want to keep users focused on company-approved networks. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and use the following commands, making sure to replace network name with the specific SSID you want to hide. To hide specific networks, use this. Keep in mind, this doesn't disable connectivity entirely. Users can still connect manually through Windows settings if they know the exact SSID and password. If someone knows the SSID and password, they can still connect manually through Windows settings. Unblock hidden networks. To unblock a previously hidden network, use this. This is ideal when restoring access to a network that was previously restricted for specific users or environments. View current network filters. To see which networks are blocked or allowed on a device, view all active filter rules using. The output will list your block list and allow list entries. This is particularly useful for auditing or when troubleshooting why certain SSIDs don't appear on a user's device. Only allow specific Wi-Fi networks. This command blocks all Wi-Fi networks by default and only allows those you specify. It's perfect for high security setups like kiosks, exam labs, or corporate endpoints that should only connect to approved access points. To block all networks by default, use this. Then, explicitly allow the authorized SSIDs with this command. Once done, Windows will only display and connect to those explicitly allowed networks. How to show or hide network options using PowerShell. While PowerShell doesn't directly manage SSID filters, it can run netsh commands. This makes it ideal for automation, remote deployment, or integration with tools like Intune. Here's a sample command. For strict filtering, you can change block to allow or use deny all to block all networks by default. For the complete PowerShell script templates, check the blog link in the description below. Before we end the video, keep in mind that these methods don't disable the Wi-Fi adapter. Users can still connect to allowed networks normally. For consistency across multi-user systems, make sure to apply the same rules to each user profile or deploy them via login scripts. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to hide or show available Wi-Fi networks in Windows 11, linked in the description below.